Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kashish Panchal, aka The Cozy Chick. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I did this beautiful makeup look. Diwali is about to come, so I just thought of doing a really nice festive look. It's a basic look, and anyone can do it. Even if you're a beginner, you can do it. So it's a universal makeup look. And also my base is looking really glowy and beautiful. And of course, look who visited. Like, whenever there is a special occasion, pimples are always on my face. Does that happen only to me, or you are getting what I'm trying to say here, right? Am I the only one, or do you also get pimples on your face when there is a festival about to come, or an occasion which you are looking forward, and someone's here to welcome you? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I mean, this is how it looked. I am personally
Loving this makeup look. I just love it.
and honestly speaking, Diwali is like my favorite festival after Navratri, because who doesn't like playing Garba? But yeah, I was kind of sick during Navratri, so I was not able to upload any kind of content on my YouTube. Also, if you are following me on Instagram, you know like the whole story behind my October month. So yeah, and if you are not following on my Instagram,
Then, I mean, come on. You have to follow me on my Instagram also because I upload really good content over there. I mean, yeah, मैं खुद की तारीफ कर रही हूँ that but I think I do a pretty decent work over there.
don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also share it, please, if possible. And any suggestions, queries, anything, just put down in the comment section. I'll definitely reply them.
बहुत ज़्यादा बड़बड़ कर लिया है.
Let's just jump into the video, and if you all want to see how I did this look, you will have to watch this video till the end. Hey everyone, let's give this bare face a festive look. First, we're gonna use the Plum Green Tea Clarity Gel to prep our skin. I'm gonna pat the product on my face with a very light hand, and then I'm gonna use the Eclat Eye Serum and rub a little amount of product under my eyes. Next, I'm gonna use the Bello Photo Stable Sunscreen and take a generous amount of product and apply it all over my face. Make sure you are using sunscreen on daily basis as it protects your skin from harmful rays. I'm gonna use the Dry Sugar Smoothing Primer and apply a little amount of product on my nose to blur out my pores for a smoother surface. Then we're gonna jump to our eye makeup. Now I'm gonna use the Dry Sugar Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 30 Chocosino and apply it on my eyelid with an angled brush for an eyeshadow base, and then I'm gonna blend the product with the PAC 218 concealer brush and set it with a loose powder. I've applied a masking tape at the corner of my eye to get the perfect cat eye. I'm gonna use the Try Sugar Blend the Rule eyeshadow palette in 04 Fetish, and I've taken a brown eyeshadow from the palette and I'm applying it on my crease in a circular motion. Next, I'm gonna use the Twilight Dusk palette, which is from You Candy, and I'm gonna take this black shade from the palette and apply it on my lid as an eyeliner, and then I'm gonna blend it together with this brown eyeshadow color with a pencil brush all over my lid, and I'm gonna blend it in circular motions. Remove the masking tape gently from your eyes, and well, that looks pretty good, right? And there you go, bang, you have the perfect eyeshadow look. Now I'm gonna use the Dry Sugar Ace of Stick foundation in the shade 35 Frappe, and I'm gonna apply the product all over my face. Make sure you don't forget your neck also, and I'm gonna blend the product with the PAC 265 foundation brush. You can either move the brush in circular motion or you can drag the product as well. I prefer the circular motion. Then I'm gonna again take the Dry Sugar Magic Wand Concealer and apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead and my chin area. I'm using the Cal Los Angeles Damp Beauty Sponge and I'm blending the product. Make sure you are dabbing the product instead of dragging it because that would create creases under your eye. To set my face, I'm going to use the Dry Sugar Set to Go Translucent Powder and I'm going to apply the product all over my face for the longevity of my base makeup. And also don't forget to set your under the eyes also because that would avoid creasing under your eyes. I'm going to use the Cal Los Angeles Chisel palette and I'm using the bronze shade and applying it on my cheekbones and forehead to get dimension. And also I'm doing nose contour because well I have a huge nose, and then I'm going to use some translucent powder to bake on the bridge of my nose and the sides of my nose. We are going to use the same eyeshadow and I'm applying it under my eyes to give some definition. And then I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm dusting off the excess powder around my nose. For blush, I'm using the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Blush in the shade Desert Rose and I'm applying a little bit of product on the apple of my cheeks and my chin. Then we're going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and I'm applying it on my cheekbones. Well, look at that glow. And then I'm applying it on the bridge of my nose as well. The secret to a fuller lip is a lip liner, and for that I'm going to use the Color Bar lip liner in the shade Rich Chocolate and I'm overlining my entire lip. To fill my lips, I'm using the Imagic Cosmetics liquid lipstick, which is my all-time favorite nude shade. Well, now let's fix this messy hair.